This review is of Simply Nature Organic Oat Cookies Dark Oat Chocolate. It's vegan, it is organic, it's got fair trade for at least the cocoa, if nothing else. Here are the, it's a little bit difficult to see them, but these are the nutrition facts. Alright, and let me show you the ingredients if I can. My cat is excited by the noise for some reason, I don't know why. Wow, they just really made full use of the space to make it possible to be easily read, I guess. Man. Alright, so it's got wheat, it may have tree nuts, peanuts, soy, milk, and eggs. Alright, well, here's what it says about the cocoa. And of course, since this is from Aldi, if you don't like it, get your money back. Twice is nice. Alright, well, I'll go ahead and open up here. Nice chocolatey smell. Also kind of reminiscent of leaves in the autumn. Okay. My first impression is that it is mildly flavored. The chocolate is not pronounced either in the cookie or the topping. I think if it's wet, it might be better. It really is a very mildly flavored cookie. Personally, I would have preferred a more pronounced flavor. But if you're somebody who has a very sensitive tongue or you just like mild flavors, you'll probably appreciate this. And of course, the fact that it's vegan and not organic and non-GMO, they've got fair trade cocoa, those are bonuses. But for me, I'm going to keep searching. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.